Hello, little explorers. I'm Maggie, your friendly guide, and today, we're diving into the wonderful world of farm animals. Get ready for a symphony of sounds and a whole lot of fun. Are you excited? Let's explore the farmyard together. First up, let's say hello to the cheery chickens. Watch them cluck and scratch as they go about their day. Can you imitate their sound? Let's give it a try. Next, it's time to meet the marvelous cows. Listen to their gentle moo as they graze in the meadow. Can you mimic the sound of a cow? Let's give it a go. Now, let's visit the oink-tastic pigs. Hear them snuffle and snort as they root around for tasty treats. Can you make the sound of a pig? Let's have some oink-tastic fun. Quack, quack. Here come the quirky ducks, waddling by the pond. Listen to their cheerful quacks. Can you quack like a duck? Let's give it a whirl. Time to meet the Barbarian sheep. Hear their soft baa as they graze on the green hills. Can you baa like a sheep? Let's have some woolly fun. Neigh, neigh. The majestic horses are trotting into view. Listen to their powerful neighs. Can you neigh like a horse? Let's gallop into some horsey fun. Meet the playful goats. Listen to their lively baa as they climb and explore. Can you join the goat serenade? Let's have a bleeding good time. Wow, little explorers, what a fantastic adventure we've had today. I hope you had a blast learning about farm animals and their unique sounds. But guess what? Our exploration doesn't have to end here. There's a whole world of giggles and discoveries waiting for us. So, hit that subscribe button, join our exploration team, and let's keep the fun going together. Thanks for tuning in, and until our next adventure, stay curious, stay smiling, and keep on exploring. Bye for now, my farmyard friends. And a big, joyful bye from me, Maggie.